it's Monster Lips Kid, by the way, and I'm using Talking Tom. Yeah, I actually told you on that video, Monster Lips 6, I think. Yeah, I told you on Monster Lips 6 that I was gonna do a Broken's video and Talking Tom version. Well, so let's do this. Subscribe. I'm actually running out of time, so yeah. Okay.